Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Woman Turns Traffic Stop into Complete Mess.
2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driving erratically.
Sorry, did you see those eagles?
I did not.
Yeah, there's two of them. We were like watching them, like there's three. They're swooped down. They're right over there. You can see them in the
Take your hands out. Keep them out.
You can see back there.
We've been driving a while.
I can tell. Driving pretty bad.
What do you mean?
Ready, G19 a file.
Well, you got off the exit pretty late, crossed over all the white lines, and then you didn't use your turn signal 100 feet from the stop sign. Where are you headed?
I'm right past Connecticut, but I literally saw the eagles I've never seen.
You're headed to Connecticut?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
So why are you going this way?
because the eagles.
Oh.
I
No,
didn't see
I'm
the...
serious.
Okay.
No, I'm telling.
I wasn't drinking.
I don't, sir.
You don't have it at all?
Are there any weapons in the car?
No.
Okay.
You have anything with your name on that at all?
I'm sorry. I wish they were still there. Like right there, look it. You can see his little white head.
You don't care about no eagles, man. You about to step out this car and get that car searched.
You grab an ID or a driver's license out of the state?
Miss. From?
Wyoming, Cheyenne.
It's your father's car?
Yeah, I'm sorry, officers. I just never seen anything like that before.
Okay. Not a big deal.
You had to move around a lot at that stop sign.
Sorry.
I'm gonna have her get. Hey, step out.
Oh yeah, showtime.
Get out. We're not gonna play the game. Get out. I'm telling you to get out.
1 second.
Nope, we're not waiting a second. Get out.
I'm asking my lawyer.
Okay, get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the
Act
car.
right.
No.
Get out of the car. Relax. 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 Relax.
What is going on?
You're getting detained now.
No, I like
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
I'm not. Pull him! Hold on! I need to rope on! You cannot open the door!
Secure it right now. I'm refusing to get out of the car.
Do not get out of the
39
car!
didn't hear. Can you at least start a couple of our guys, please?
No! Hold your rope on! Hold the water! Get the police brutality!
Stop!
Are your cameras on?
Yes.
Where are your cameras?
Relax.
Do not get out of the car! Hold your rope!
If you guys don't get out of the car, you're under arrest for
You're
obstruction.
already under arrest and you're already detained!
Stop!
No!
Man, got y'all together, boy.
What do you have in your hand?
What the
Relax. Relax.
No, this is...
Relax.
Your cameras better be on. Identify yourself.
Okay.
Identify yourself. Who are you?
Let go. Relax your hands.
Police officer?
Relax your hands.
Who are you?
There was a ton of movement when you got up here. I don't know what you're hiding in the back seat. Come here. Cut it out. What are you doing?
Acting like you, sir.
Okay, relax.
No. Call my lawyer. It's in my fucking.
Everybody got a lawyer all of a sudden,
I
right?
want my lawyer. They won't identify themselves. Cody, start recording.
70 Flores, my badge 19. I work at the Grundy County Sheriff's Office.
I want my lawyer. I have one. It's parked in my wallet.
You have any
Stop
weapons on you?
touching me.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, and a woman is supposed to be here.
Pull away from me anymore, please.
Get a woman officer here now. This is.
Just relax.
Yeah. Wow, the shush work. Kind of like a kid, huh?
Stay right here, please. Please stop doing that so I don't have to twist your cuffs up. Please stop moving. Stay right here. Do you have any weapons on you?
No!
Do you have a cage?
Get it recording! I need proof that this is up. Where's the
Look at
woman?
this. Look at this. This is recording.
I don't see a green light.
8 minutes it's been recording.
You can't just rip someone out of their car.
You start refusing, yes, when I believe that there might be a weapon the way you guys were moving around.
The cop is afraid for his life.
That's what we do every day. Okay, and you're not allowed to get one right now. You can talk to him later. When an officer gives you an order to get out of the car, you have to get out of the car.
You didn't give me a chance to. You
Oh,
me out.
you started reaching around for stuff.
No, I was trying to get my lawyer's card.
Well, there's no
Because
point.
on it, it told me I'm supposed to calm down, and now I can't.
Okay. Come over here. Stop moving around.
What's illegal? There's a weed law.
Don't talk
Doesn't matter.
to them.
We're already searching the car.
You can't search the car without a warrant.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
What else?
What do we got? Another TikTok lawyer? I think we got another TikTok lawyer.
You have a coat through the roof.
Come on, let's get to the search. Drag them out. Come on now. Put them in the cars. Let's go.
Stop doing that. Be an
I
adult.
want a woman officer.
Quiet.
Ha! Quiet.
Stop touching me. You've done it enough. Ah! Get out of my pants! No, we've done this like 3 times.
Oh, well, because you're acting like this. Okay.
Trying to.
The woman was charged with obstruction and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
You can't make this stuff up, boy. You can't make this up. Stop, get out of my pants. Like, come on. Like, let's be real here. Come on. I wish there was more body cam footage though. Like, cause this, to me, this case was kind of boring. Like, if there was more stuff, like as far as the search and whatever they end up finding and stuff like that, like this could have been a lot more. But maybe, you know, they put in a FOIA request and this is all the footage that they could get. Maybe that sheriff's department or whatever, they're hiding something. I don't know. But honestly, I can't even, this was boring. I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, nothing was going on. Nothing. I guess the cops get a 3. I mean, 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I apologize for the boring video, but this is what they provide me. You know what I'm saying? I can't, nothing I can do. I'm gonna catch you in the next video though.